everyone that's having this noise in your cars. It turns out to be the a dry ball joint, and I had it before. This time was my upper ball joint this time, and then last time was my lower one. It made the exact same noise. So just for any of you that are wondering, what the hell is this crazy noise, it's the ball joints that they're dry. As you guys see on the second clip, there's a crack on the rubber, and I guess what happens is the grease comes out of it, and that's how you get the noise. But yeah, I hope this video helps you guys to figure out this noise. But most likely it is a dry ball joint. It could be another thing, but just showing you guys my experience. Thank you.